The floor cover will be located right here. It'll go on top of the transmission here, and that's just so water doesn't splash off from underneath. First step is to retap all the threads. This ensures the threads are nicely cleaned out. And it's important that we install this thing in the correct position. So you want to have it angled like this when you slide it onto the shift tower. And then you just push it on like that over the shift tower and push it down. And then it'll rest like that in its spot. Now using your 8 bolts, thread them on and make sure you have a lock washer on the one end of the bolt. And now just start in one corner and work yourself around the floor cover. There you have it. All the bolts are on and attached to the floor cover now. And now I just tighten them up until they're hand tight. That is how you install the transmission floor cover onto the shift tower. And thanks for watching us build a Willys Jeep, and make sure to subscribe.